How to remove Passkey on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove Passkey from Roblox account quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the more option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on account info at top. And now here, once you are inside the account info, here you will see all your account details, including username, email, and login details. So here, under the login methods, you can see your passkey. So here, just look at the section labeled as passkey, and beside that option, you can see the option labeled as manage. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply locate the passkey that you have added, and here, once you have located it, just tap on the trash icon next to it to remove the passkey, and once removed, you will no longer be able to log into your Roblox using that passkey. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.